It's more than 3 times taller than Angel Falls, and almost no one sees it. Beneath the cold waters of the Denmark Strait, a massive waterfall flows along the seafloor. Here, frigid Arctic water is denser than the warmer Atlantic water to the south. As it moves, it plunges downward along an underwater ridge. The drop is about 3,500 meters, making it the tallest known waterfall on Earth by vertical distance. This underwater cascade helps drive the global ocean circulation system, quietly influencing climate across the planet.